Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix Messenger auto logout issue on iPhone if you are facing this issue like on Android. So you have to simply do is check it out your phone update or like your app update, and then go back to your Messenger and check it out if it is working or not. For that, you have to simply check it out on your Play Store, or in iPhone you can simply go to App Store and then search for the app like Messenger, and then search for it and check it out if the app is updated or not. You can see over here this app is updated, so I can't see the option called update, so I am not facing any issue like that. So if you are facing, so you have to simply do is update your phone, and if you are on Android, you have to simply go to your settings and go to your app and then clear the chassis on your phone, and then check it out if it is you will face any other issue. Like, you can simply comment me and I will suggest you the possible issue resolve, and then you can simply use your Messenger, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.